Frank Annan Dompreh honorable no no minority chief whip no sign ma se begani edema nipa anase nkrofo mo nsamwam adoji na wote se wo kasa no se sabedie saban yatimi anase Ibrahim mampani yatimi akwaje besia mo de akoto plane dia na onye sika mfa makoko akuafo dia ene na edru so a plane ni betimi atoaba kasi mami nkushase mfi eye Listowel ho emra na afi ye ntoaso nebeku asemu a Frank Annan Dompreh kani sabre koko yi price baby e babedu ye na aban yi edi amakuafo no Annan Dompreh se sika na eswate no eno ana mampani di amani nia Dr. Ibrahim Mahamadu akoto private jet
Erade ntoma no nareka na
erade so wanum
se wo ni passe bi wo man mu a enya nwanwa so man no asai se de adru ya ene yenya se bi oya adie ya opempam o man no enya nwanwa se Bawumia nya 38% ko se bi esi fie bi a mensem wo senka kwase ni wi ase anke ni kwase adwa so adwini wei wakosuku
oye MP
ni maame atue sika ni papa bi America ni maame ntoma senior ewo ho a ewo senka ode to aduane ma enkrama adie no wodi akotue school fees wakosuku ya sebio saye mrase bedwani anyi bia no ka o kasa nenkan kwala fa pena na o matchro otiase na de bia me tunkofofo nse me litigant otimase se me nenko kan we fa me ho a ka me mani fa ne ho nida
Pardon begina mrano.
Oh yes. O cop court anu otchere baby a me kofa scanner me di to me private jet. And so say abusuan o ma ya asofo abusu. Me 2 million ne fokura se bia on fa ne court kura ha wonti mpo. Na odin tro wi anu ono akase. Ono be ka nokure. No kreno sebi senka uko na ukura krata e kire se ura mahama peja o mai sika no de ma ni nua Ibrahim Mahama wonu nyina so ko sika o omo ko sika
Frank Annan Dompreh
yes omo ko sre ebi o kura so se baba otie no osuma no mo jamo mo bone bra we say ya ni sika no ntimi hu se just a fad impo one fad impo eye sika eni kwan se be fra ni sika omuna including Akufo Addo no oyadia no ne sika kura hwe ne ho yade time no position no wanye ne se no Ibrahim le tua ne hospital bill tua ma edruba bi no ni papa dan ya wotim wo ton kra na chese da bi menton o esa ugu papa ni mu ase jai menton ni nyina akoso fa ho ko ton hotel ni nyina hotel sa ka ring hotel na enyi ma ya ensemi di no ebi nie Bawumia ye ka da before no omo nie na Gabby create me to me back. Gabby asare otchere darko. Ya wono Kingsby dan wontimi ntwiaka. Kingsby aya Kingsby achimota Kingsby edan wontimi ntwiaka yetu no. Wono ene owo me back. Gabby adwuma be no waye wo man we. Sanki ye kan se osu o Gabby ebi a wabɔ brati se Ibrahim Mahama ebi asebio watutu fom Now from the time of Ghana Ashasi Ebepimne, Ibrahim the first black Yaman Pine say gold fields for good yen too. Do you know how much he makes from gold fields? Do you know how much money he makes in Liberia? Do you know how much money he makes in Sierra Leone? And I say Ibrahim unye otchere ne ho obedwam enma na battery so te say de ye no bi no say bi nya kakra say ye ho a ne yasidan koko no enu nti na che say Ibrahim de onsem fata no ukura wunya sika ko ukroma uye show wo Anno Dompreh ko esawe mi kubusa na se say Ibrahim nya show off oye humble oye down to earth or send a white shirt in a car here I said the shoe no corny baby one question is starch I will try who are there chow oh me tell me I am taking some my way as insult when a certain group of people want to look down on a certain group of people when they are rather the deviants in society, criminals. This very guy, criminal like him.
Frank Annan.
Yes.
What makes him a criminal?
Oh yes. What makes Ibrahim the criminal? What makes Ibrahim the criminal? Or don't you think he wants to associate criminality to Ibrahim's name?
According to some okay.
No, papa. Only wine. Iye Mahama ba bien wa sabi ne bra e tan te se wo. Na enkwan ju a yesi anu sini no enya bi no asa no anum fro. Enkwan na jo. Afa yie. Afa ekwan no afa yie papa. Like be fa mi me pokumo mi mfikyira. Enya me fi ani mu mi mfikyire keka ko beti.
Dey who won say we
no
because omo oni omudin for ebi agye di oba ye papa.
Oh yes, na say bebre agye di na say me na social media bebre agye di. Na Ibrahim isen ye wote no onte se me kabana ka lawyers atro ne krata say is either so be withdraw and also be answer say wo Ibrahim ya wo se wa for man sika dia koto private jet no
atiti koko sika dia.
Yes therefore omra me kire e wo court na obi ahu ne kwase a waye say MP kasa basa just because menya say bi nkwase afọ akoto apetition mo ama ohu akwa ba kwa na nanu nyina yesi grebu papa no we did the grebu one for grebu formal sentence I will say grebu yare ebi no yafo onya tramo ene wi ni ayi ensa mananom to so microphone no mahama odemeka sebi abasa say NDC ye tu omofo a omuntie because asma yeken for NPP to even have the moral right to discuss Koko Wogana Hano. I sounded the alarm bell way before the troubles came. Wako baby, woman penina Ghana photo Abama Anno. Was this the secretary? Was this the chief of staff? Doesn't cafe more parent go bet my chief of staff. Was this the competent Julius Debrad Naba? Wafa Callistus Mahama, doctor, PhD, and what Naba. Before now, your Mahama Ebefa, the first, Remo Atububa, and I secretary, yeah. compare Sanko Foni Mia or Moya ne secretary no or my secretary in the currently to Kofi Asante Bediatuo. You have subject verb agreement kwa won't intro. So Indian Yansa ne ebu mine. Now no can use to straw letter no so okay here the article no solid. If you know what is all my boy because a incessant apt without blemish. Today me catch you say the difference between NPP and NDC no in India. NDC won India na omoye sa nkofo a won say minority tribes no omunim enuga.
Okay.
What you say? They say obi te say Ibrahim Mahama. Omo so mu yesika fo won isle go nyina ya ka mu bom kro mu sika nu no. Omo nyina o. Yes. No, the money he makes a day, the money Ibrahim Mahama makes a day, even from go face kekeno. Now come in sika no boma no. What is that uncle who said they be a catch uncle who did it? It will be a number we are saying yes, can be a what is a Kennedy Agyapong? More Kennedy Agyapong the John and say or that 100 ways legal. Need that back open the ways legal. And look around here team lender. As I saw motors as in live enough for no. Say no way to me.
Okay.
Yes. And to one say any day ways legal. Back open. They say Ibrahim Mahama me jina bonti an kan say me sikani ena me wo wei ena me wei ena ja do ya me ye say obi kura ono no se bi obi yare na wakobua nipa kro no wodi kwato TV so se dabi no yesi we ye papa ma we hu ye ne force ya say Ibrahim wa ye papa mo nka na nipa ya dia wo sa ye yi wo ye papa pa wo peso obi beka or tell what young powers menkoka. That is Ibrahim for you. On channel. When you more sabi makosi a die, na mako fa a for camera for bit chance we be. Unim Ibrahim a ya chenko for Ghana. Unim Ibrahim ne some guago 70 million. This is someone who makes more than $1 million a day. He makes more than $1 million. Sabi. And you need to me to abonti. Sabi. He makes money. Money. Nigri. Na asem na aba. Na politics. And you know, and maybe sir Ibrahim akonyina hini. Wono enye sabi ni bottom ntina onokura akonyina hini o. Nyina hini ni maame kurom Ibrahim maame sabi Auntie Joyce obi anu se ni nchi firi nyina hini eno say emaburu ni adwuma ye bauxite nso na tawei enti maame ni abrofo to kase na menkofa almost smelting machine na mesi ho na for the first time Ghana ntimi en smelter machine a bauxite ni ntimi ni aluminum film na yamam mebuna adwumanye na yenya kakra about 12,000 workers ni etimenya bia momadi na menso menya kakra podwe we ni bone no Bawumia na Akufo Addo ba ya omeje ya omso mo de koma China for no we say China for the smarter bibes ebesi nyina hini omatu enso so sankofo we mu ano omo new month for the eco for ratification omo mo ho wakra na omo sign new month boni dia wo mefanko eti me kase bibini agimi a Dompreh is the example so ni nansa pa ko be so agimi pa so ni nansa pa woni tirima na ko nam wono ko be so agimi pa na mesre say Ibrahim Mahama for the first time e manem fa ne tra na o make sure say akwai kwase yi ba be ansa sem no MPO or MP no word Jimia. Now that's all your MP. You are immune from being foolish. MP word Jimmy say what will be that? What will be that? And I know Dompreh what will be that. Now I know only papa ne ka say papa krampo. Why bonia e ka say no be ka fa ne ho ono say me ka che so ya amro ba sesie ya wo be hu ne response but he is more than an armed robber. Anno Dompreh Bawumia kwa sign ho Bawumia we ya wono adia Ghana for nyina nim say wo Ghana dada uba bayansa na Akufo Addo be president 2017 okodane ade no e de beji $2.5 million. Jack, where are you? Asase GPS wo sai Bawumia ho e sai poalugu krono akrofo aban mo akrofo mo hwe mo ho ne krono a very synonymous. Wo sai NPP ni ho a wo nche krofo biem. Na jo Mahamadu Bawumia ana me kache mo say senka jo Mahamadu fa Ghana one city yeah. Ekanya ne san komo be ka che Ghana for say airbus entina jo Mahamadu Agyapong airbus se mi nua eye adwuma wa company omo ye aeroplane mu e wa abrochire a omo ton aeroplane no na mi nua ni di bia Ghana ha me ya tobi eno kekenti no jo Mahamadu Agyapong ade no ton aeroplane no through ni nua be ma
to a real man no sika say no fire be pem ne. It took the OSP Akufo Addo na appointed no ansa no ba be catch Ghana for say o ma ye hwehwemu fiko jo mama ni hu ni asem ansa na Ghana for nyina egu ahomekoko say eso ene bisa me say Akufo Addo krono be na wabo a American kwa ye krono kese ba ko a yantimi enya no yeda America kronfo Akufo Addo wano prano odidi eda court bi anka ene won kote kronfo wo fia kofa police manefane ko court na court mu kronfo no for se wo kronfo asa na waka se wo kronfo ade na ya wo get julo ade na won flo bi kronfo awu wusia obi na wa wiade a ja na wonya kronfo ma court nka so wo kronfo asa na wa pa na wi. This is the logic. Eni mra biamu say court ka so bi a conference and waka so a kronfo esan say ya de ko court ya so ya kronfo etu anu amameli ne ho anu so ya kronfo na court no so prosecution for so come say court to say we ya kronfo anything na the republic versus it is our lawyer for no ma can asane fa you are not guilty until proven guilty, you are also innocent until proven not innocent. Yan can half can you mean etina be say law na omo ye no Ghana ha no e na ya nika keke no wa can be favor no say you are not guilty until proven guilty. When I catch you, you are also not innocent until proved not innocent. Nimienu kan no obi antiase eti wo ye kronfo kopim say wo be kwa ka so ye kronfo. That is the logic. Ken Ofori Atta what's happening ho Ken Ofori Atta obi a otimi gege hiafo sika Gabby nim kra no what's happening. It's very hurtful. Everything I am in this for na chiman so say be very proactive and don't be reactive. Be proactive to understand say Ghana for be modia e ye gidie ni say mo ba ye no konfo no kro no no boy ye no watete o mo agum. Okay. E kan say want me metene ne nsa asema anya no kre oni adanse die wo ba bia whatsoever want me nya adanse da enti yesika sem entotoye wo sha sia na o si da bi de onim tu na de gina kire mpo enti ma me nkɔ hwehwɛ onimdini nyansani Ato Forson anye bia no siyasi a hwehwɛ doctor ni a obo economy hu nimdie se yesi enumum na obetimi akyerɛ economy hu fapema NPP for de omde bai na ye Dr. Bawumia na omai no sanse ni din de Bawumia nti ye die mia papa ye die mia etimpentin kwa esu na esanse
NDC for so what doctor in economics inti omanpani ye said there be mama nton samfre ora Ato Forson na omefo so na o make sure say the economy no atiti apansam no ye be nie enti maka na me say su biem say se uko bia na ye say NPP ni professional bia say na maka dada no NPP no ye bia ni onimra they only know the judge to bribe say be pia bribe akoje judgment there ene omo ya de wo ho ne say wakosua amra no onimra there bi uti NPP for lawyer for ni dinabo say they can't even put sentences together. Same with NPP economists. Obia was here NPP economists bia no na say woni economy hu bibia there bi obe konkwana ni certificate kwa akotoy oni ni die bia fa na dwuma bia wo ye ho now so one say the difference between an NPP economist in Dr. Bawumia and the dollar ni kodu 17 na the NDC economist in Ato Forson the economy ni dollar no ababedu 10 abuswa 11 eno che sabi India NDC for no ewo nti se say no NDC we oma we ni da so sabi peduasa oma ye kokromoti a yintimi nsan omo mopo se we dollar ni cedi me other currencies no efri wa oma peni kan se bia na me de papa o se no na se dollar no ya china kwa ko chef yase ama na abunfumpa ana sabi wabu ban ana waje bam da bi a dollar no se no wogina no sidi no ena ya man na nya hoden a wotimi bia bo dollar no na omu ni wiye etisa wo hwa dollar no waje ne ho gina papa because sidi no wanya hoden a ahoden no ko mu nya miania mu wiye wo be hwa na nsia o mampani wa paw nipa be se dumienu se omo san ko bo Ato Forson ni ahwa dollar na nche be du ankra I want to a cedi eti baby aye dru no omampani guso a obo oman no ho bra so ye fie ho a another aspect eno de sebi kane no on say me menye obi a me discuss economy in respect of economic indices there be me no ma adweye me say krombe yoda enu botom because so me botom nya da ene chese kromi nya de na de be ma botom aye de ne say ubetime nya nesesika nyina siasi o Mugabe over 1 billion Ghana cedis as what they akoto 1 bag of cement it say kromu ntimi nya ode oko Zimbabwe a Bawumia ya yebo ni din Bawumia yi oko Zimbabwe so okobo omo ama omo sika omo die no etimenya ahoden o free hono no na de se wo so sika o hiba ro mu na watimi de akoto kenke baako wa bon papa ya bon no ne de no enye so we fast yan kama tumu ntine papa wa bon pa yi na saba Bawumia ya na de dollar ikodu cedi 17 enti se wo hwe krombe ya da ni botom economics a oro mahama wetimi aboa maga na enya sei obia timi tomo ene ye tiriwe sebi Mugabe minim se wo anuanom nkramofo wo anuanom namfofo a sebi omo ye nkramofo a omo eye tiriwe wato nyoma bebre di akoche
dollar makora bremi
na sebi o se wo hwe
dollar makora bremi bi
na wo ye tiriwe
governor of the father of West Africa
na wo ye tiriwe no abrobi
na de minya
our bro bi se fa kocheche feel wakasa na wo ka bro bi te se de wo alhamdulillah so mimi se me koto mo ya me de boa minuanu mo a se bi o me nkremofo se bi me botomu nso ti kakra me to ne daa no e na me yese me to Mugabe could you imagine say sika me de koto mo Akufo Addo apenso ene me de koto mo a minya no emohu mienu enefa enti fa ne se kane me to mo 10 bags and I'm a chicha. Say my top 25 bags. If I should estimate it, me can be do am toy say bi me bi dia bebu me ho konta. Na so kakra me toy no. Sika kro na me de to e wo dom your friend say ka me ya ma Willie John Akufo Addo Willie. William Akufo Addo di boye ni Kweku Addo apenso no. Wole Bawumia apenso no. Sa same sika na me fa say me sa de koto amu dom ma apenso. Say kan na me na 10 bags a say metimi to 25 bags. Kromba yoda enu botom. Etikane no na me nsatime so ni padu so a say asuni padu mu enum so. Kromba yoda enu botom. Do mahamenti obi anan kakane me nsanso me so no ene say me nsanso me so. Sa na me koto sugar the same thing. The same thing. It is a me di busa ni a kan ya say abana timia ya sise ya ma ene no sebi bibie ra ba betimia hye atare fufuo dia akobadi opebia wa bra ne hu nefi ene wo bia kan ya yo wo bi kura pa sebi enka ebi edi se bu nya bre na ko edi mu no obi atimi to mo ni bi eno ye friend say the living condition of the Ghanaian is perfect. Sebi I always say the word perfect there Nyankopon painting na the word perfect wo. But say you share baby you free baby wa bedru here. You are likely and tempted to believe say the word perfection is also for human beings like us. And you know the boy mabaso. If you are make education. For example, ora how you do so ono na John Mahamadu education share nsa wo church ya bedru ba bia ene school sem akwakoduro ba bia nani anye ho our state of the nation address the fact say yentimi eliminate adia ye fe no double track system no completely, which I think say achedodo ache enti mesre say owura mahama ene na pamfo etiem a omomma get fund enya adwuma more enti adwuma omoyi because say get fund timi ye nyuma hodo akese ebie infrastructure ni mu a e bia me kire say the America ya America no enye bibia say America omo kala nti na ma ehoye enyi no debi sebi ubusa mama me obekire wo America no ukokotena ho a ye bibia broni fe no systems and infrastructure. You cannot put in a system without infrastructure. It is a share systems are America adwuma ni nyina na is because they have quality infrastructure. Eti ora mahama se no obi ani se a by infrastructure or number one. On many focus on infrastructure ne so. Na education sector hono. Yanyiri ya hu ensi adan ne more. Entimi accommodate students ne more. Teachers ne more. Get fund. Support. So apology so boy juma. Boy juma too much. No. I'm say e be stress o man pani mesika ne bi nko more. Say na be betimi eliminate double track kwada so schools adan o makosi okumase kwada so nya se get fund aduma wo no se betena aka apology bro the abanda da na yen so be se o hamu chichemu be se more than that, but say person eliminate double track schools under trees and all that yama get fund sikado duo ya obetimi ya adwuma do so mo de omo ho se yakọ omo ye omo adwuma se na fu adodi one day na say ono ye fe bibi capping omo dia no madwane I know madwane entino eyade a no me take notes da bia mbi be sie ma me nua ba Dr. Ewem no ora mahama nkuntabuo efa womo abo man na po adi dwirim adi sika awia yen a wodi ora le kochi womo eho de me no mampani anya adwen de tia me no mampani anya adwen ne se Omampeni Kufuor found his way. I have repeated this on other platforms, and I will keep to that word. Omampeni Kufuor did not have it wrong. No, wrong to use fast track high court. No, judges living and wrong. I'm not saying go and be a remote controller on judges and play puppetry around using your the judges as puppeteers. No. Don't interfere.
Fantastic.
But find your way. Let the Chief Justice set a court for the adjudication of all these your friend is saying. Because adeɛ baako ɛkɔ so ɔdan na ha ɛnyɛ ɔmo nya adwe koraa ne sɛ yɛwɔ legal vacation. Why must there be a legal vacation? And some there be a court a ye di ho abo there be ano but people go vacation meanwhile say mo go vacation your friends a vacation judge no nneɛma saa deɛ na wo si twam fi yɛ yi mu because ɛyɛ akwadufo suban UK bi ni hɔ US bi ni hɔ ọmọ ayé sún ọmọ democracy sakẹsí ewu bi ase ebi ni hɔ judge ni wa bere obe ko leave amani ko leave na fufuo mẹsẹ na náà ẹsẹ judge fufuo na ọbẹ pa bebree a nkɔfo bebree akɔ sukuu a ɔmo ti wa bɔ bi wa ɔmo ti ma ɔmo ayɛ judge fuo there should be no legal vacation in Ghana again.
Sama high court ɔmo tena ase anopa tena ase awia.
ní ẹ̀yánṣẹ́ bíẹ́ ni ẹ̀wọ̀ sẹ́ yẹ́dí 24-hour economy no ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àti ẹ̀wọ̀ court.
Bibia ntẹ́sán.
Anopa judge tenase kopem no 9 ana no mienu a wo sori ana for be tenase the same court where yeah juma around the clock enti Omampeni wasema okan ye wo so na no ye no wonya adwe ye friend say corruption anti-corruption crusaders ne corruption for ye no wontimi nya adwe da
e wo de ho
say the wheels of justice grind slowly obua enya no kre. It should run faster. The wheels of chrono was grinding up slowly.
What is in the book?
Me pacho no kre. And you be
na your mama ne kre.
Me pacho do mahama okokan no be ka kire.
No ba ojo your mama ne kre.
E ma ne fa nya adwuma ye wo chrono sembe bire omo akronfo ne kasa. Ma me kasa mcho ye no kre say obi o ye kronfo ne kasa the wheels of justice grind slowly. Me am ka kire because you see obi bo chrono no one can say the wheels of chrono grind slowly. But they are fast and we are in.
And we're doing it.
So you're fast, we are. You're fast.
Say, Obifum come on.
Okay, sir, who did that Ghana for? You know, now, Jay. What? But you're not your mama doing a nature. Me tell me, margin. Me tell me, your mama doing. Now, drink a cracker and talk to them to the pipe. Me tell me, margin.
I feel like I said.
I do not make no so Sabi to sub 130. Say, don't mamma tia about one papa. Obi the speed every year sika ejane this is what we now we not catch say the wheels of justice grind slowly
one so ejane
no dey about the president national chairman do NPP ni Omampeni yetimi no na adwen until the earlier you set up the better for you because the Ghanaian is impatient. Look, the impatience of the Ghanaian is growing by the day, and some of the things you say no can even bring about infuriation because look, we can't sit and watch them walk about the streets of Ghana as if say omunya kronfo. When we know, say even he never see kind of way. PDS, be the PDS example. Omampeni wanu wasem. Uti opposition no. Uka che say Gabby Asante Bediatuo Dompreh Akufo Addo. Omuti kasa telephone so. They negotiate.
The evidence is there.
It's there. It's Omampeni what you can't tell me say the rules of justice very slowly. Where investigation then we hear more. To prosecute Gabby Asante Bediatuo and Dompreh Akufo Addo.
To one ho jaja na.
Mugabi.
Listo.
Ye di jawani ye di aso
to one dey.
From Mama no ye mo ECG na e ka say dum so aba ye dey share no. O ye mo ECG. He should find his way.
But I see.
He should find his way and prosecute the criminals. The crimes of yesterday, he should prosecute them.
Why do you blame the president?
I blame him because the back stops with him. He accepted in his
why not the Attorney General?
No. See, you see, I am not appointed Attorney General. What must I say? And this our Attorney General no onye adwuma ne say yehwa we ka say we that come the mebo be me. Ya o ma bi o Attorney General department o e fe no e fe no say on the director of public prosecution. As long as that woman stays there, forget it. You can prosecute you, Obia.
As
long as that woman now or a director in charge of public prosecution at Simple. Yeah, Obia so NPP, you know. You should forget it.
Evidence,
I don't need any evidence. The woman the better. Bible said, by their fruits we shall know them.
You need evidence.
The patron say I having my newscaster now. And I'm your news anchor. I'm about the news. I'm I came to speak my mind.
Listen, and
that's what I believe. So until such a time, that director of public prosecution, you know, the baby free honor. We should forget about it. Every time the Solomon Penny should find his way and insist on making sure, say, public accountability, because he came and accounted to the people by giving us the sona. So he is not about the law. If he allows for people to get away with murder, he would have explained to us why people can get away with murder.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.